What's up, beautiful people?
Oh, thank you.
We are here
Referring to me?
checking out our construction progress, North Dallas rehab. She's coming along beautifully. The chief designer, interior and exterior. Mrs. David Luca in the house. We got George in the house, the man of the hour, the chief.
Tô atrapalhando?
Não.
Chief in charge.
Tá atrapalhando nada.
Aqui, o cílio que eu vou botar, ele não vai sair em pé não, vai ser deitado na frente, hein?
Você crê? Why? Por quê?
Porque much better, porque
Much better?
Yeah. Assim, não essa peça aqui, só tô trazendo como exemplo, entendeu? Nós vamos usar ele assim, ó. Que ele vai estar encaixado igual aquele que nós colocamos lá naquela casa da Midway lá. Aí nós vamos colocar ele assim, que ele tem um acabamentozinho, aí nós fechamos ele 2 mesmo.
Você crê que
We're gonna add some accents over here, some cedar wood accents.
se vea diferente que el brick?
In the exterior.
All the people, everybody, you see the house.
All new windows. There's gonna be a picture frame window going in here. That's gonna look gorgeous. We got a new door installed, and that's gonna go all the way up there.
Oh, this is going.
Aquele vidro ali, vai trocar o vidro, né, Jorge?
O quê?
Vai trocar o vidro, não vai fechar não,
O
né?
vidro vai trocar.
Ah, tá.
What's a trocar?
Exchange the glass instead of closing that up. I'll let Geraldine check that out. She'll catch up. She'll meet us here in a minute. We got that closed up. We got the door added. A lot of the texture and prime is already in. They're ready for paint. Floors have been ordered. Kitchen appliances have been ordered. That's on the way. So she's coming along nicely. We're closing this up here. We opened this wall up. They used to be pretty closed off. Let me show you the master first. We used some I forgot the name of the stone. I think it's called quarry stone. It looks beautiful, really thick stone. We're gonna do it up on the walls too, but they're too thick. And we started leveling this up, all the floors. Make sure everything is floated. And then we're gonna finish the Jack and Jill. We opened it up, but we're gonna close it back up so they can utilize it as a proper Jack and Jill. But all the floor, all the tile is in. This has been floated as well. And then here's the master. He's gonna work on the floors next. So we'll be ready. The jet tub is here. We adding what is it, a bidet, electrical. So we need a dedicated outlet right there. Oh, it's just right here. So it's a really nice toilet. It's got a heater, air dryer, a jet to clean your booty. So that would be nice. We got 3 shower heads for a walk-in shower. That's coming along. That'll be gorgeous. And then we have a double sink. We went ahead and closed that up for the closet. And then we have a different entrance now. Walk-in closet on that side. And then the tub is gonna go right over there. So that'll look beautiful. We added a double door here as well for the entrance from the master, just like we did in the living room. But then this is gonna be the walk-in closet here. We're gonna do a nice island in the middle for cabinet space and a beautiful stone. Well, there she is.
Hi.
I've been just winging it.
Really?
Yeah, it's been horrible.
I'm doing big business out there, George and I.
I see. Well, well,
Yeah, it's looking amazing, isn't it?
are you happy with the progress?
Yeah.
Looking good?
Did you show them all the tiles and everything you talked about?
No,
No?
just this side
Okay.
and the Jack and Jill and the master. I haven't gone to the kitchen
It
yet.
looks really nice. I'm really excited for this. Look how beautiful the doors are.
Beautiful doors.
Yeah.
We gotta add the Echo Bees here too, huh?
Ei, vocês não olharam uma coisa que eu fiz na casa,
O quê?
vocês nem perceberam.
O que coisa? Claro que eu percebi.
Percebeu o quê?
Eu só não falei nada ainda.
Fale.
É, me dá uma dica. É aqui na sala?
Não vai quer uma dica?
É na sala?
Quer uma
Talk
dica?
about Kanjika? What?
Quer uma dica?
I told him to give me a hint. He said he didn't notice one thing he did in the house. I'm like, of course I did.
Extended the fireplace.
This one thing, né? For the fireplace be no meio.
He added the brick.
Não, não this one. Não tá gravando.
What was it? What is it, babe?
Oh, I know already. I just don't want to say it.
No.
Mas you see, do you remember how tall
Oh, over here?
the...
Where? You opened it?
É por uma...
Oh.
Ah, tava mais baixo antes, né?
Era
Do
aqui,
you
ó.
remember it was lower, babe?
Aqui. Essa
No wonder
aqui.
it looks better, George.
Okay.
É, a outra também, aí eu fiz as três igual.
So it matches.
E agora ficou não, ficou lá ponta, ficou melhor.
Wow,
yeah.
that looks amazing.
Looks good. Big difference.
Eu sabia que você
E ali tá mais bem. Ali tá bem maior, né?
Aonde? Como assim?
Aquela área ali. Não tá igual a essa.
Não.
Mas pelo menos essa aqui estão matching agora.
They widened it up.
Aham. A de lá maior do fundo, porque de lá separa a cozinha, entendeu? Mas essa aqui ficou legal, porque você, quando entra aqui agora, já não tem a pessoa que vai bater a cabeça. E bota essa window picture aí, essa window picture, né, essa semana.
Man, this is much better with that door there, huh?
Oh yeah. Imagine in the master, we plumbed the gas in here already, and we got a pot filler for the stove and the cooktop. Peguei as appliances hoje, então acho que daqui a umas 3 semanas mais ou menos.
O piso de madeira chega quando, mais ou menos? Você tem uma ideia também, não?
Eu acho que já tava para schedule hoje.
Pra hoje?
É.
É porque pra semana que vem já pode me liberar ele, pode trazer ele.
Não, já peguei ele, já tá vindo.
Porque agora que ele vai começar a montar as coisas, entendeu? Começar a montar os closets, terminar de
Beautiful.
Is that accent matching the floor here?
Yeah.
esse
Nice.
aqui já tá pronto, já pra texturar, já pintar também e botar a porta.
E botou a porta ali também, né?
Já botei a porta ali já.
Hey, George, the trim for the soapbox, you're gonna put it on there, right? The soapbox in the bathroom?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
The
I'm going to do.
Será bonita?
Laundry room tile is here.
I want to give white black, see your water
Which
better.
one looks better?
What tile did you use for the laundry room?
It's the same one as the bathroom, but bigger. It's this one right here, babe.
Big nice closets.
Aqui
Oh,
também.
okay, the mosaic?
Não, esse é o piso dali da
Square?
Laura que sobrou.
Oh.
O piso da Laura.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Pretty.
É o piso
The
da Laura.
hexagon.
We can return this one since
That's nice.
it's extra.
I like it.
Não, tá tudo pronto, tá tudo pronto. O piso aqui, tá tudo pronto. Quero começar agora o master, começar a fazer o master.
Levelar ele, terminar o banheiro.
É, porque eu acredito que em 2 semanas esse master pronto. Essas portas instaladas e a casa já pintada para liberar o piso. Agora essas portas tudo mal acabadas, velho. Ó, tem que lixar tudo, velho.
You need
We got the fence done over here. Got the garage, lots of storage. Got all of our windows. Kitchen sink came in. Big picture frame window. Look at that bad boy. This thing is huge. Look at that. It's gonna go in the front. Ooh. Play gym. actually needs to take a picture. Yeah,
We almost done?
yeah,
Yeah.
I'm done.
All right.
You?
Yeah.
Anything else you want to do?
No. It's that.
Tá vendo o ruim dessas portas? Que assim, tem que fermear tudo e fazer todas as reparaçõezinhas.
That
Thank you
takes,
for
that
it.
takes a little while, right?
Yeah.
It's a lot of detail.
Okay. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe.
Depois me manda esse vídeo.
Tá,